So this is okra or okra, and we did a did you know on it. David will share some more on this interesting what is it? Food, plant. What is it?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Is it a vegetable or is it a fruit? 'Cause it has seeds. So come, honey, come and tell us about okra. Come and tell us. Dr. Lawrence, my doctor, come and tell us.
So some people may not know, but the okra is a very good aphrodisiac. Don't care whether you want to call it a vegetable, a fruit, or whatever, but it's a great aphrodisiac.
And what do you mean by that?
It's good for the male, specifically it's good for the male reproductive organ, specifically the penis. In that, if you look inside there, it has some chambers. Just like the penis has chambers inside. When they are flooded with blood, they are engorged with blood, the penis gets erect. Also, if you look at the okra, it looks like an erect penis. If you look inside the okra, these are chambers like those blood chambers inside the penis. When they are engorged with blood, the penis gets erected. These seeds were inside here, like that, and they form as though there were cells, or like they were like sperm cells inside the okra. So that shows God has a very interesting sense of humor, and he actually gives us messages in very pictorial way or visual ways. Some people say they don't eat okra because it's too slimy. Well, if you play with your semen, you'll see slimy. And
That's
so,
the male.
both male and female semen is slimy. So that's another way that we actually get semen. And if you look at this end of the okra, some people call it a phallic symbol. Yeah, like the erect penis. Yeah. So
You can open this one.
now you know that the okra, if you look here, some of the seeds are still in place, just like the sperm inside there. So yeah, it's a good aphrodisiac. Just don't overdo it, alright guys?
Is it good for women also or just for men?
It is good for women too, but it's more directly an aphrodisiac for men. It has more sexual benefits for men than it does for women. But women, yes ladies, you can still eat it. Very good vegetable. If you ask me, yeah, very good vegetable.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lawrence.
And just like the penis ejaculates, let me make this one ejaculate for you. There it is.
Quite interesting analogy. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, David. God bless you. And yes, for me, I don't like to have it regular, so I do the fried okra. Definitely check in the description section of this video, or also the comment section. We'll pin it there that you can find it. If you don't like the okra steamed straight, you can fry it. All right, thank you. And God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. watching.